So our person is in anatomical position with their thumbs facing out and their palms facing forward. This is the axial skeleton, the head, the neck, and the trunk. And then appendicular skeleton consists of the arms and the legs.
Alright, superior means towards the head and your eyes are superior to your mouth. Inferior means away from the head and your trunk is inferior to your head. Posterior means towards the back of your body and your spinal cord is posterior to your stomach. Anterior means towards the front of your body and your belly button is anterior to your heart.
Medial means towards the midline. Your nose is medial to your eyes. Lateral means away from your midline. Your ears are lateral to your mouth. Proximal means closer to the origin of the body part. Your shoulder is proximal to your elbow. Distal means farther from the origin of your body part. Your fingers are distal to your wrist.
Superficial means closer to the outside of the body, so the skin is superficial to the bones. Deep means closer to the inside of the body, so the heart is deep to the ribs.
Your dorsal body cavity is meant to protect the nervous system. There are two subdivisions of the dorsal body cavity, and it is the cranial and the vertebral spinal cavity. The cranial is within the skull and it encases the brain, and the spinal cavity runs within the vertebral column and it encases the spinal cord.
The ventral body cavity contains the internal organs. There are two subdivisions of the ventral body cavity, which include the thoracic cavity, which includes the lungs and the heart, and then the abdominal pelvic cavity, which is divided into two sections, which is the abdominal, which contains the stomach, intestines, spleen, liver, and other organs, and the pelvic, which contains the bladder, reproductive organs, and red cheeks.
Sagittal plane divides the body into right and left parts based on anatomical position. And this is the mid-sagittal plane, which is the line that divides the body in half. And transverse divides the body into superior and inferior parts, which is the top to bottom parts. The frontal plane divides the body into anterior and posterior parts, which means it gives the body a back and gives the body a front. And oblique is when cuts are made on an angle diagonally.
The abdominopelvic area is divided into four quadrants based on anatomical position, and this is the left upper quadrant, right upper quadrant, left lower quadrant, and right lower quadrant. The 9 regions of the abdominopelvic area include the right hypochondriac, the epigastric region, the left hypochondriac, right lumbar, umbilical, left lumbar, the right iliac, the hypogastric, and the left iliac.